Hello. Hope all of you are doing well and staying safe. So today I'm going to work on my Corolla Altis 2012 model. So a quick maintenance here. What I'm going to perform is replacement of the stock air filter what sits inside this air box. So yeah, the replacement interval for this particular air filter is 20,000 kilometers as per the manufacturer recommendation. So let me go ahead and open this box and take a look at the condition of the filter and replace it out. I got the part ready. I just need to go ahead and replace it. Before that, we'll just need to take a look at a few of the hose pipes and make sure they're clean enough and weed out any kind of dust from there. Okay. Okay, so it's going to be very simple. You just need to pull out these clips what are sitting here. One is here and other one is on the other side here inside. So you just need to unclip that and then this should lift out like once. And let's be careful with the cable there. Okay, so that's the air filter sitting right there. So I've had this here for about close to 25,000 kilometers, and this is how it looks, right? And needing a immediate replacement. It's totally blocked. And the air filter what comes inside this car is a Toyota OEM made by Denso, Thailand, it says. So it's a sealed air filter. You cannot open it, you cannot clean it, you cannot do anything about it. You just need to replace it. So it's totally gone. There's a lot of dust in it. Although you can dust it and use it, but I'll not recommend. Instead, best to replace it, right? Lot of dust. So let me go ahead and clean this box. Although it won't matter, but it's better to clean the box. A lot of there could be stuff from outside which could have popped in. So let's clean it up and then put the air filter back. I don't think I need a WD-40 or something to clean it because it's all dry and there's hardly anything there. So okay friends, so this is our new air filter. Of course I got this online and it's a Toyota OEM, exact same part. So this is how the new one looks, right? This is how the new one looks as compared to the old one. This is my new and this is my old. Yeah, this is how it is. Huge difference, right? Okay, let's go ahead and pop the filter in, and before that let's take a look and make sure we put it the right way. Yeah, it sits perfectly fine. it's always best to note before taking out the filter in terms of which direction it was sitting, right? So this was definitely towards the downwards because it's collected a lot of grime and dust. So let me see if this is how it was. Yeah, it was this way, and certainly not this way because it doesn't sit fine. It just sits well here in this corner, which is a squarish kind of a corner. So I'm going to put it that way, and okay, there it goes. Just make sure it's seated well in all the corners, and then we put the box back, rather the cover back, right? In order to operate this piece. So let's make sure this is tight enough. Don't have to be super tight so that you crack the hose, etc. Just need to be tight enough. Okay, it's well seated. So let's go ahead and fire the car up and see if everything is working fine. Let's put the hose back. Okay, let's fire up the car. And we'll also need to make sure none of the warning lights come on. Yeah, everything looks perfect. So yeah guys, so air filter is a very important maintenance part, right? So when you have done the prescribed kilometers, say 20,000 or 25,000 as per the manufacturer recommendation, it is a good decision to replace the air filter, because a clogged air filter can cause more problems than what you can save out of it. So it's a good idea to replace it in a timely manner. So we're just going to go ahead and replace the cabin air filter which sits inside the behind the glove box somewhere inside. So let me go ahead and try pulling it out and see how it goes. So I have two lugs on each of the sides, one on the left and one on the right here inside somewhere. I got to apply some pressure, pull this lug out again on both the sides. Same thing, comes out this way. I got to lift it in carefully. There is a connector here, and this just sits on top of those groove kind of things, right? So the glove box is full, so I've got to be a bit careful. So let me go ahead and place this somewhere here safely. Okay, so my friends, so as you can see, the cabin filter is placed inside this box here, and I think all this is the fuse or the electrical system what is there. So this just comes off with just a press of a button here, so you can get this off completely. So yeah, I'm just going to wipe a couple of things here just to get rid of some extra dust particles. says this side up, so I'm going to slide this out, and this is the cabin filter. So yeah, so this has been there for about close to 25,000 kilometers, which is roughly about 20,000 miles, and I thought it's a good idea to replace it with a new one. So we are going to go the same direction. It says this way up, and nothing on the other side. So we're going to pick up the new one now. Let's drop that there. Let's clean up the cavity a bit to whatever extent we can. Okay, so the new one, cabin air filter. So it says this way up, right? So yeah, although this is not an OEM one, but it's a very good branded one, aftermarket, but yeah, it's a good one. Elofic. So there it goes, and that's about it. So it just sits in there, and then we go ahead and put the cover back exactly the same way how we got it off. So this lug gets in there, and that's about it. It just snaps in there. So we're done with this, and we're going to put back the glove box exactly the same way into these, place it into these lugs, connect this holder back, sort of an hydraulic stuff, connect this back, and then yeah, snap it into this just by applying a little bit of inward pressure. So just go ahead and do that. So first we're going to put it into the lugs carefully, exactly the same way how we got it off. Not visible though, but I think there it goes. So we just apply some inward pressure here, and then some inward pressure on the other side, and there it goes, boom. So yeah, quite simple DIY, so anyone can do it at home. So, and it's important to keep your air filters clean on a time-to-time basis, right? So you get fresh air inside the car. Hey, thanks for watching, and hope you all are staying safe and take care of yourselves until we catch up next time. Thank you.